Hey guys, this is Angie. I'm going to show you how to log on to my online classes on an iPhone. Go to my home page. Right under the banners, you'll see that select page. Scroll down all the way till you see my account right there, my account. You're going to open this up in a new tab, and then you're going to see your login box. So log in with your username, which is your email address, and your password. If you've forgotten your password, all you have to do is click on Lost Your Password after you've entered your email address, and it will email you a link to reset your password. Now, sometimes those emails go in spam folders, so if you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam folder. Okay, so I'm going to log in as Bella now so that you can see what it's like once you log in. So give me just a second to get logged in. Okay, so here it is. If you're going to scroll down, it's going to say My Purchase Classes, and here's the Dynaroar class. I'm going to click on that to show you what it's going to look like, and there is the first project. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.